Welcome to Tropical Wildlife. Thank you for your support to those of you who always patiently await information about the Komodo dragon. Let's watch a video showcasing how the Komodo survives in its habitat. The Komodo dragon is a fascinating creature with unique characteristics, particularly in the context of its feeding habits. A large Komodo dragon indeed devours a goat in a way that illustrates its strength and skills. Firstly, the Komodo approaches its prey with swift and stealthy movements, showcasing intelligence in hunting. Subsequently, with rapid precision, the Komodo uses its sharp claws to incapacitate the goat. The powerful and venomous bite of the Komodo renders the goat weak and helpless. This process demonstrates how the hunting prowess and tools possessed by the Komodo enable it to overcome its prey. Furthermore, the Komodo employs its highly sensitive, odor-detecting tongue to locate the presence of the prey with precision. This is a real-life example of natural adaptations that allow the Komodo to be an efficient predator. Once the prey is incapacitated, the Komodo initiates the swallowing process, utilizing its flexible and elastic neck. Throughout this process, the Komodo showcases its large stomach capacity, capable of accommodating prey the size of a goat. The digestion process takes a considerable amount of time, revealing the unique digestive system of the Komodo in processing challenging food. In this situation, the Komodo dragon depicts the natural and harsh life cycle in the predator and prey world. Although the process may be brutal, it illustrates how this creature effectively adapts to survive in its unique environment on Komodo Island.